Day 3, Cookie Baking Science. The reading and math happening when you bake cookies. Welcome to Day 3. Today we're talking about every family's favorite holiday tradition, baking cookies. But what if I told you that when you bake together, you're teaching reading comprehension, math, and executive function all at the same time? Baking is one of the most academically rich activities you can do with kids with learning differences. Here's why it works so well. Reading recipes is real-world functional reading. It matters if they get it right. That engagement, that's where comprehension clicks. For ADHD and dyslexic brain, baking provides a clear beginning, middle, and end. That's executive function structure. Immediate sensory feedback, smell, taste, texture. Natural consequences. If we skip a step, the cookies don't work. For dyslexic brain, the recipe offers context clues, pictures, numbers, short sentences, repetition, the same recipe words, cups, tablespoon, mix, bake, success. They can read it and make something delicious. Here's how to maximize the learning. Before you start, read the recipe together, start to finish. That's comprehension. Ask, what ingredients do we need? Let's make a list. That's organization. Gather everything first. That's planning and preparation. During baking, let them read each step aloud to you. That's fluency practice. Ask, what does fold in mean? And how is it different from mix? That's vocabulary. Practice fraction. We need half a cup. Show me which measuring cup. Count together. We need 24 cookies. We have 8 on this tray. How many more do we need? Estimate time. These bake for 12 minutes. When will they be done? Science connections. Why do you think we add baking powder? What do you notice happening? What changes do you see? Solid butter becomes liquid when we melt it. Why are these cookies spreading? Why are those staying in a ball? Executive function gold. Following a recipe in order is sequencing. Gathering ingredients is planning. Waiting for the oven is impulse control. That's executive function boot camp disguised as fun. Imagine your child baking the same chocolate chip recipe every December. Within a few months, they're reading the recipe independently. They can measure without help. They understand what folding it in means. But most importantly, they walk around saying, I'm a really good baker. That confidence, that I can do this identity, that's what transfers to reading at school, to math class, to every challenge they face. This week, bake something together. Hand them the recipe. Let them be the boss of the ingredient. Get all 12 days of activities like this one. This is our special holiday gift to you. Sign up for the complete 12 Days of Family Learning Adventures email series. Links in the description below. You'll get printable recipe cards, math conversation starters, and ways to adapt to different ages, all delivered throughout the holiday season. Inside the Family Learning Adventures membership, we'll take this even further. Each month includes hands-on activities like this, plus video walkthroughs showing you exactly how to facilitate the learning conversation. Because when you know what to say and when to say it, that's when magic happens. Tomorrow, letter writing and why old-fashioned thank you notes are literacy powerhouses. See you then.